Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated drone releases of 2025, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. After months of speculation, teasers, and countless leaks, the wait is finally over. We finally have a launch date locked in, and along with it, an overwhelming amount of new information that makes this drone look like an absolute game-changer in the ultralight category. For months now, drone enthusiasts, content creators, and even travel vloggers have been waiting for confirmation on whether DJI's next big release would arrive in mid-September. There was back-and-forth chatter about whether the DJI Mini 5 Pro would launch on the 16th, 17th, or 18th of September. Thanks to reliable leaks, particularly from trusted sources like Jasper Ellens, it looks like September 16th is the official date to mark on your calendars. That means DJI will start rolling out teasers and promotional material very soon. If you've been following the drone rumor mill closely, you'll know Igor Bogdanov has already shared impressive renders, detailed shots of the Fly More combo, and even some leaked marketing material. While DJI hasn't published the full set of specs or their official promotional descriptions yet, the leaks have given us a surprisingly complete picture of what to expect. From high-resolution close-up images of the drone itself to packaging shots, we're piecing together exactly how DJI has managed to deliver such a powerful drone while keeping it under 249 grams, a sweet spot that avoids many regulatory restrictions across Europe, the UK, and other regions. Headline feature: a 1-inch sensor in a sub-250G drone. The standout headline feature is without question the 1-inch CMOS sensor, something usually reserved for much larger drones like the DJI Air 3 or even the Mavic line. DJI has somehow managed to engineer a design that integrates this larger sensor while keeping the Mini 5 Pro ultra lightweight. Pair that with a 24mm wide lens and a bright f1.8 aperture, and suddenly, this little drone becomes a powerhouse for both photographers and videographers. A bigger sensor means sharper details, more dynamic range, and significantly improved low-light performance. For creators who want to shoot sunsets, cityscapes at night, or cinematic landscape footage, the Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver results far beyond what the Mini 4 Pro was capable of. Smarter gimbal and shooting modes, another area DJI seems to have worked hard on, is the gimbal. Leaks suggest it supports true vertical shooting, an essential feature for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts creators. But it doesn't stop there. The gimbal may rotate up to 225 degrees or even 330 degrees, allowing for creative angles that weren't possible before. Add in a 48mm tele mode, and you've got versatility for wide scenic landscapes and tighter cinematic framing, all in one compact package. This is a huge deal for solo creators who don't want to carry multiple drones or extra gear. Whether you're vlogging your travels, shooting wedding footage, or producing commercial content, the Mini 5 Pro has modes to suit every scenario. Video power, high frame rates, and 10-bit color on the video side, DJI seems to be pulling out all the stops. The leaks indicate 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, perfect for buttery-smooth slow-motion sequences. It also supports HDR video at 4K 60fps and 10-bit color modes, which means richer, more accurate color grading in post-production. These upgrades put the Mini 5 Pro dangerously close to competing with higher-end drones in DJI's lineup. For many content creators, this could eliminate the need to invest in larger, bulkier drones, unless they specifically need professional-grade features like interchangeable lenses. Build and design: compact but advanced. The overall design still follows the familiar foldable frame that the Mini series is known for: compact, portable, and travel-friendly. But the details tell a story of refinement. One of the biggest quality-of-life improvements is the rumored quick-release propeller system. Instead of fiddling with tiny screws and worrying about stripping them during blade changes, you'll now be able to simply twist and click the props into place. While the props themselves may cost more than older models, the convenience and durability are worth the price. Leaked packaging also shows a CZ classification sticker, a marking widely used in the EU and UK that confirms the drone sits under the 249 gene regulatory threshold. If this turns out to be accurate, DJI will have delivered a sub-250-degree drone with professional-level features, something no competitor has achieved yet. Safety and sensors. LiDAR takes the stage. Safety features are another area where DJI is stepping up. Rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will be the first mini-series drone to include frontal LiDAR sensors. This would give it advanced obstacle detection capabilities, supported by omnidirectional vision sensors for all-around protection. For casual pilots, this means fewer accidents. For professionals, it means more confidence when flying in complex environments like forests, cities, or tight indoor spaces. Combined with DJI's intelligent flight modes, the LiDAR system could also open the door to even smoother autonomous tracking and subject-following capabilities. Flight time and battery options. Endurance has always been a key factor for drone pilots. According to leaks, the standard battery will provide up to 36 minutes of flight time, an improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. With the larger Plus battery, flight times could stretch to an impressive 52 minutes. The catch is that using the Plus battery will push the Mini 5 Pro above the 249G limit, meaning it won't qualify for the same lightweight category in many regions. However, for pilots who prioritize longer flights over regulatory thresholds, this will be a tempting option.